Hey there, I'm Benjamin from Loves Data and welcome to the fourth video in my Google Ads tutorial series. In this video, we're going to cover important interface features you'll find in Google Ads. And I'll also show you how to use the Keyword Planner to research keywords. If you've missed any of the other tutorials in this series, I've included links to them in the description below this video. Okay, it's time to start researching our keywords and get to know the interface. So let's head to Google Ads. We're going to start by exploring the Google Ads interface. Across the top, we can adjust what we're looking at in the interface. We can select the filter option to focus on particular types of campaigns. And we can select an individual campaign using the drop-down to focus on that campaign. Selecting all campaigns brings you back to the top level of your Google Ads account. Since we only have one campaign, it's easy to see everything, but this will become useful when you're managing multiple campaigns. And in my demo Google Ads account, we can also see an option to add a custom view. This feature isn't available in all accounts yet, but if you see this option, you can customize what is included on the overview for your account. Let's select Add Custom View. And let's click Skip. Now let's name the view. Let's name this one Campaigns. And let's click Create. We can now use the panel on the right to adjust what is included in our new custom view. Let's keep the time series enabled, but let's disable the diagnostics. And let's keep campaigns and conversion tracking enabled, but disable the other options. When you're happy, you can close the panel on the right, and you can always jump back to your custom view when you need it. Okay, now let's select Campaigns in the menu on the left, and then choose Campaigns. This will show you a list of all the campaigns in your account. Now let's select our campaign. We can then see the ad group we created. And we can select the ad group. Using the menu on the left again, we can select Ads to view the ads we've created. And to view the keywords we are targeting, we select Audiences, Keywords and Content, and then choose Keywords. Okay, now it's time to start thinking about additional keywords we might want to target. A great way to research keywords for your campaigns is to use the Keyword Planner. To find the Keyword Planner, we select Tools, then Planning, and select Keyword Planner. Let's start by clicking Discover New Keywords. Now you can enter some of your keyword ideas to get more suggestions. I'm going to enter Google Analytics terminology. And let's click Get Results. We're now shown keyword ideas that we can use in our campaign and ad groups. We can see the keyword we searched for at the top. And then below the bar, we can see different keyword ideas based on the keyword we entered. You can now spend time reviewing the suggestions. Any keywords already in your account will be flagged in the Account Status column. If you see any keywords that closely relate to your offer, you can select them. You can then add them to a plan to save them in the Keyword Planner. There are also options to download the keywords and add them to existing campaigns and ad groups. Since I only have one ad group, I'm going to click Copy. You can also use the Keyword Planner to estimate the search volume for different keywords, the amount you'll need to bid, and the amount of competition. There's a lot to the Keyword Planner, so for now, I recommend trying to think like a customer and only choose keywords that closely relate to your landing page, offer, and ads. To learn more about the Keyword Planner, I've included links in the extra resources below this video. Now let's select Campaigns and navigate back to Ad Groups and click the plus sign to create a new ad group. I'm going to name this ad group Terminology. And let's click Next. Now let's paste the keywords we copied from the Keyword Planner. Scrolling down, we need to create an ad group that will be shown for the keywords we've just entered. Since this ad group includes keywords relating to Google Analytics terminology, we need to write these ads around that keyword theme. So we're not using the same ads we created previously. We're writing ads that are relevant to the terminology-related keywords. I'm going to go ahead and write headlines. And then write descriptions. Now let's click Save and Continue. We now have two ad groups in our campaign. We have an ad group for glossary-related keywords and another for terminology-related keywords. You can repeat these steps for any other keywords you want to add to your campaign. It's important to stay focused as you build out your campaign. My tip here is to only create 3 or 4 ad groups with a maximum of 4 to 5 keywords in each. This ensures that you're being targeted with your ads. It also means you're not targeting too many keywords, which will spend your budget quickly. In the next lesson, we're going to cover 2 really important topics. We're going to cover assets and we're going to cover conversion tracking. So if you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel so you know when the next tutorial is released. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.